we're taking the derivative of y equals e to the x over 1 minus x. We could write this as e to the x times 1 minus x to the negative 1 and use a product rule with a chain rule, but I think in this case, I think it's just cleaner to just go straight to the quotient rule. So our dy dx, quotient rule says, first off, leave alone the denominator, times derivative of the numerator. Well, derivative of e to the x is e to the x, minus, now we'll have e to the x, because now we're leaving the numerator alone, times the derivative of the denominator. So we have 1 minus x, derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of minus x is minus 1, all over our denominator squared. Now, we'll see if we can do any simplifying. First off, let's get rid of parentheses. We'll distribute this, e to the x, so e to the x times 1 is e to the x, minus x e to the x. And then we have a minus e to the x times a negative 1. So that's going to be plus e to the x all over 1 minus x, the quantity squared. Now, these e to the x's can be combined. They are like terms. So we have 2e to the x, as there's 2 of them, minus x e to the x over 1 minus x, the quantity squared. We see that both terms in the numerator have e to the x in it, so that can be factored out. So e to the x times 2 minus x over 1 minus x, the quantity squared. We don't have anything that'll cancel because this is a 2, that's a 1. But we have a simplified derivative that now we can find our zeros and our critical points of.